Hey, so what's up guys, welcome back to yet another unboxing video, and in this video we're going to be looking at the Nokia 5.4. So the Nokia 5.4 is HMD Global's latest addition to its 5 series smartphone that was launched in the local market, that is in Kenya, in April of this year. And this device comes in 2 color options. So we are getting the Polar Night and what they're calling the Dusk color option, with of course some 4 gigs of RAM and 100 gigs of internal storage. And HMD Global is selling this device locally at a recommended retail price of 24,500. But of course, you're gonna be getting some of these prices varying depending on the shops, but HMD Global is recommending 24,500 as the RRP. So yes, this is the packaging with the Nokia 5.4 text splashed here at the back. Of course, some image here of the phone here. We have the Nokia logo right here at the top, and of course the 2 years Android upgrades promised by HMD Global, and of course the Android logo right there at the bottom right. Yes, and these at the back here you have some specs highlighted here, including the 48 megapixels main camera, the 16 megapixels punch hole display, punch hole camera with the portrait mode, the cinema mode features, and also the 6.39 HD punch hole display, and of course the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 mobile platform. And of course Nokia is promising 2 days battery life with this device, and of course with the 4000 milliamperes battery, and of course it's a USB Type-C charging. So yes, of course we're getting a dedicated Google Assistant button right there, as highlighted here. And of course at the bottom here again, we are getting actually a SIM protector inside, and additional accessories that we might be getting if you buy this phone include the Nokia buds. I'm not sure if they are the Nokia buds like that were launched the other day, but of course we're gonna be sharing all the other details that we know about this phone. So let's go ahead and unbox the Nokia 5.4 and basically show you a few things that we're getting in this packaging. So yes, let's unbox the Nokia 5.4. So yes, here we go. The packaging is definitely not different from what we have seen with all the Nokia devices. It's a pull-out box, and the first thing we are getting to see here is the phone itself. So let's see. Yep. Yeah, so you have to get to see the phone. The first thing we have here is the Nokia 5.4 itself. So let's remove this case and see what the phone looks like. Okay. So yes, that's the Nokia 5.4. And of course, again, the specs are highlighted right here, on this protector. So we're gonna just power this device on. Let's remove that first. So we're gonna power this device on, and show you all the other things you're getting in this box. Yes. Then there's the SIM ejector pin right here. There you go. That's the SIM ejector pin. Put that aside. We have some user manuals here, and basically how to get started. There's one in Swahili, then there's product and safety info right here as well, to basically get you started on the Nokia 5.4. Then right here we have this a transparent case, basically to protect your phone from scratches, and all that. Then we have the charging brick right here. There you go. How many watts are these? Let's see. It is a 10 watts brick. I hope I can see here clearly. Yeah, But this is the charging brick right here. Then you have the USB cable right here. Remember, it's a USB type C. Then there's a pair of earphones right here. Yeah, so basically that's what you have you're getting in the phone, a pair in the package, a pair of earphones, the USB type C cable, the charging brick right here. There's a plastic case here to keep your phone case safe. Then some user manuals right here in Swahili, English, and also there's a product safety manual right there. Then we're getting a SIM ejector pin. So basically that's all you have in this packaging. So we're gonna go ahead and set this device up. Nope, we have to go back. No, how do you set in Swahili? So I'm gonna go ahead and set this device up and basically show you every other thing you need to know about the Nokia 5.4. Yeah, so we managed to set the Nokia 5.4 up, and this is basically the display with the punch hole right here at the top left. The display is 6.4 inches as we mentioned earlier. Then we have some Nokia branding right here at the bottom. Again, down below we have the charging port and some speakers located right there. Then on the right side you have the volume and power buttons right here on the right side, not clearly visible. My lighting is not that good. Then on the left side you have a dedicated Google Assistant button located right here, something we've seen in almost all the Nokia phones. Then right here you have this SIM tray. So this is the Google Assistant button. So pressing it actually prompts you to some Google Assistant features. I've not been able to set my email up, so yeah, I'm not able to show you where, but that's basically how you work. Pressing it prompts you to some Google Assistant features. At the back you have the camera setup that's there, this rounded camera setup that comprises of a 48 megapixel main camera. Then there's some flash right there. Then there's some Nokia logo right there at the center, and this is the fingerprint scanner, which is actually works pretty fast. There you go. Gonna try that again. Yes. Then at the bottom you have the headphone jack right there. So yeah, remember, as I said, this device comes in two color options. That is the Polar Night and the Dusk color. Then we're getting a 4 GB of RAM and 120 GB of internal storage. And also the phone is backed by a 4000 mAh battery that supports 10 watts charging. Yeah, basically that's it for this unboxing video. Remember to share and subscribe, and tell us your thoughts about the Nokia 5.4. We're going to be sharing a spec sheet, a link to the spec sheet in the description section below. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Remember to share and subscribe.